Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to organize notes in Samsung Notes. Organizing your notes makes it easier to find important information and keeps everything neatly arranged. Let us get started. The first thing is to open the Samsung Notes app on your Samsung phone. Once the app opens, you will see the All Notes screen displaying all of your saved notes. To organize your notes into folders, tap the Menu button located on the left side of the screen. From the navigation panel, tap Folders. To create a new folder, tap the More button represented by the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Create Folder. A Create Folder window will open. Tap the Folder Name field and enter a name for your folder. Once you have finished, tap Add to create the folder. Your new folder will now appear in the Folders list and is ready to store your notes. Press and hold the note you want to organize until it becomes selected. If you want to move multiple notes at the same time, tap the other notes you would like to include. Tap the Move option at the bottom of the screen. Select the folder where you want to place the note, then tap Move to confirm. Your selected notes will now be stored in the chosen folder. To view the notes inside a folder, open the navigation menu again and tap the folder's name. If you would like to rename a folder, press and hold the folder, tap Rename, enter the new name, and then tap Save. To delete a folder, press and hold the folder, tap Delete, and confirm your choice. You can also sort your notes to make them easier to browse. Return to the All Notes screen, tap Sort option, choose your preferred sorting method such as Date Created, Date Modified, or Title, depending on the options available on your device. To quickly find a specific note, tap the search icon at the top of the screen and type a keyword from the note's title or content. That's it. You have successfully learned how to organize notes in Samsung Notes using folders, sorting options, and the search feature. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.